Hello and welcome to this video manual about the educational escape room called On the Breadline. This escape room is about Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger, and is part of the project Keys2SDG's. In this video we'll go through 6 steps to prepare and play the room. We will now go through the material that you need for the room. We encourage you to use second-hand and recycled material as much as possible. One backpack with 2 compartments. A small metal box representing a tuna can. A small bag of rice. A plastic yogurt pot for the yogurt printout, preferable with a lid. Remove all labels and clean it. A folder. A lockable glasses case. An A5 notebook. A whiteboard pen and a piece of cloth to erase it. 2 code locks with 4 digits and 2 code locks with 3 digits. Crafting tools such as scissors, pens, papers, a laminator, paper clips, and so on. Step 2. How to prepare the material. Print out the following documents and prepare them. Print the tuna box, rice and yogurt designs. Cut around the borders and glue the designs on the matching objects. Print the crosswords and laminate it. Print the braille code and laminate it. Print this paper and fold it. Print all the comic pages, laminate them and bind them. Then print all the kit stickers and the black cover. Cut the stickers following the shapes and glue them on the folder. With the black cover on the notebook. Print the pages for the diary and glue them into the notebook. Print the filled-in crosswords for the Game Master's reference and the FAO hunger map for the reflection. Step 3. How to prepare the room. Start by setting the locks to the following number combinations. Start by locking the notebook and placing it in the main pocket, locked with code 250. Then erase the notes on the braille paper, put it into the glasses case and lock it with the code 2914. Place it in the same pocket as the notebook. Place the comics and the note with the numbers inside the folder and lock it with code 520. Put it in the same pocket. Erase the letters from the crosswords and place it with the whiteboard pen and a piece of cloth to erase it in the same main pocket. Then close and lock the main pocket of the backpack with code 521. Finally, put the bag of rice, the box of tuna and the yogurt pot in the front pocket. Don't lock it. Print out the manual and the reflection cards and get familiar with them. Congratulations, you're now ready to play. Step 4. How to play the room. In this puzzle, the players found 3 food items with an expiration date on them in the first compartment of the backpack, which is not locked. A yogurt, a bag of rice and a tuna can. When put in order by expiring soonest to latest, they will find that the first item will expire in 5 days, the second one in 2 months and the last one in 1 year. These numbers represent the code 521. Unlocking the backpack, the players will find a marker and a crossword puzzle with definitions. The goal is to play the crossword puzzle with the topic Causes of Hunger according to the FAO and fill all the boxes. Once completed, they will be able to see the letters in red boxes will spell the word UNFAO. At this point, they will only have to check the letters and numbers in the bottom to find the correct code 520. After the crossword puzzle, the players will open a folder with 2 comics and a note. One of the 2 comics is a copy of the other with 1 difference in each image, including the cover. Players will have to look for the differences, the text on the front, the gun on the back of the man in the middle, the rice bag and the missing speech bubble. The difference will correspond to a number on the note. The images are in order from first to last, so the code is 2914. The next puzzle is in the glasses case. Opening it, players will find a braille translator and a sheet with the text in braille. With the help of their fingers or by looking at the pieces of paper, they'll have to figure out the text. Below there is the code 250. Be aware that the first 10 letters of the alphabet are the same as the digits 0 to 9. Opening the notebook, the players will find a diary with an entry in which the boy is giving a hint on where he ran away to. Congratulations, you solved the room. Step 5. Reflection. You can find the reflections in the manual and the reflection cards in the Google Drive folder with all the material. The reflection should take around 15 minutes. The goal is to reflect on what the different puzzles and codes taught the players about the learning goals and the sustainable development goal the room was about. Feel free to adjust the reflections according to recent news, most recent research data, and include your personal experience where it fits. You can also include interactive reflections, as we did in some of the rooms, to make them even more engaging. The reflection text should provide you with important information for the reflections, but are not meant to be read out word for word. Instead, make sure to engage the players in questions and discussions, and give them space to talk when they feel connected to one of the reflections. Step 6. Reset the room. Follow the instructions of Step 2 in this video, or the reset list in the manual to reset the room to the beginning. Thank you for watching and good luck with game mastering this escape room.